Good morning, everybody. This is Todd Clark at Trucking Awesome. It's a pretty big day with us today. I also got a few guests with me. Who do I have with me on my left here? Cotton. Cotton is our main man here. He is our sidekick. I also have with me Mr. David Varn. He is with James Pedersen Trucking out of South Carolina. Mr. David here dropped off this truck to be restored. And he's also the gentleman that's picking the truck up today. Today's a big day for us. I'll let Mr. Varn talk to you for a second. Let him explain to you about what the truck was like, what he feels like when he saw it today. So I'm going to turn it over to him.
Well, the boss said we had an option of buying a new truck or restoring my old one. And I didn't know there was anybody that could restore. And he found Trucking Awesome, so we brought it here. I remember the day I brought it, my wife was with me because I wasn't driving it on a regular basis. And we left it at dark, and then first time we stopped, it was daylight. We got a truck stopped. My wife walked around the truck and said, "Oh my God, you had me riding in this thing?" I mean, it was beat all to pieces. But this truck is a workhorse. It stays in swamp, mud, woods, everything. I never thought this truck would look like this. This truck looks so good, I don't even want to get in the cab, nevertheless drive it. But Trucking Awesome has done, their name is, an awesome job. I have no complaints.
Thank you, Mr. Varn. Guys, and one thing too, what he's talking about on restoration, we're a full interior shop, okay? We're a full paint shop, body shop, all the things included. I challenge you to find anybody that can do the exact same thing that we are. We're full in one-stop shop, Trucking Awesome. We hope you like the truck. Miss Holly's gonna give you a little bit of show of the truck. We hope you like it. Give us a call if any needs that you may have, any questions that you may have. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. Holly, it's your turn.
All right, and our phone number is 903-632-1144. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna take the bag and stuff out so you can.
He doesn't even want to get his new floors dirty. So that's why we have given him a little mat to put his feet on. Are you in love?
Of course.
Ready to drive it home?
Well, yeah, but I'm ready for the other one too. Torn between two lovers.
All right, be sure and hit subscribe and follow us for more updates.